Mineola is proud to offer several ways for students to excel in their learning journey. With a focus on student choice, Mineola provides 8 new pathways that allow learners to explore new interests, gain skills, and earn real-world experience. And they all culminate in the ability to earn industry-standard certifications. The Educator Pathway leads learners to a future in education, with the chance to earn 12 college credits. It is offered via partnership with Adelphi University. In 11th and 12th grade, learners take classes in person at Mineola High School and can choose 18 credits from the following courses. In 12th grade, learners will also take 12 credits of education courses in person at Adelphi University. They can choose from these courses: the Computer Science Pathway provides learners several options to explore future-ready skills. It is offered via a partnership with Long Island University. These tracks are offered as fully asynchronous and as hybrid models. In the asynchronous model, learners access coursework on their own time and progress on their own schedule. In the hybrid format, courses are offered as a mixture of asynchronous work and in-person learning at both the high school and the LIU campus. Learners can choose to study the following offerings: robotics, design for game programming, artificial intelligence, Python, enterprise Python, foundation of web development, and Java. The Graphic and Digital Design Pathway offers learners the chance to build skills on the way to industry-level certifications. This pathway offers learners 2 choices in how they would like to build these skills. In Option 1, students take courses in person at Mineola High School. They will follow a chosen path in order to learn one step at a time through digital storytelling, graphic design, Photography 1, and Photography 2. At the end of this path, students may elect to sit for a certification exam. In Option 2, students can elect to take courses asynchronously as part of our PAVE program. In this format, learners will take self-paced courses that lead directly to certification in Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. The Manufacturing and Engineering Pathway provides learners with hands-on, practical experience in these rapidly growing fields. Manufacturing and engineering courses are offered both in person at Mineola High School and asynchronously. In their first year, learners can take courses in technical drawing and AutoCAD and solid modeling. And in the following year, learners can take courses in manufacturing process and advanced manufacturing process. All of the courses lead students toward an opportunity to receive an industry certification. The Cybersecurity Pathway offers 3 courses which will guide students toward a certification in this important field. Courses are offered both in person at Mineola High School and asynchronously. In both formats, the pathway is comprised of 3 courses: Cyber 1, Cyber 2, and Cyber 3. At the end of the 3 courses, learners will be able to take an exam to receive an industry certification. The Healthcare Pathway provides learners with exciting hands-on experience in a critical industry. Healthcare courses are offered in person at the Synergy Building at Mineola High School. In their junior year, learners take the Intro to Healthcare Studies course. And in their senior year, learners take hands-on EMT coursework and anatomy and physiology. All of the courses lead students toward an opportunity to receive an industry certification. The Business to Barista Pathway offers learners an exciting and unique opportunity for first-hand experience in business. In the Business to Barista Pathway, students earn credits through hands-on job experience in the Synergy Cafe. In addition to the skills and experience gained by their work in this fully functional cafe, learners also earn an asynchronous business credit and an asynchronous math credit. The Entrepreneurial Ventures and Innovation Pathway offers learners a wealth of choices to explore new fields and prepare to thrive in an ever-changing future. These courses are offered in person at Mineola High School. Learners can choose from the following half-year courses: Entrepreneurship and Marketing, payroll and inventory, design thinking for business, and communication for business. Each of these pathways offers learners exciting opportunities to take ownership of their education and their future.